Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the fascinating tools provided at Flowhunt, the PubMed tool, used in conjunction with the tool calling agent. We've already created a separate video explaining the functionalities and features of this agent. You might wonder why you should use the PubMed tool. PubMed is a vast and sometimes overwhelming platform, especially for those who aren't familiar with scientific literature. However, it's a treasure trove of peer-reviewed articles and research papers. By tapping into PubMed, we can obtain relevant and engaging ideas and information based on the latest scientific research and discussions. Let's get started. First, we want to create a brand new flow and name it as desired. We can also give it a detailed description so that we know what our flow does. After that, we are greeted with our canvas, which is fully blank. The first essential component for any flow is an input, and next, an output. The input is the user's query, and the output is the response of the chatbot. Everything that occurs between the input and output stages will shape the text generation to meet the desired outcome. For our first component, we will add the tool calling agent, which is able to perform tasks autonomously using the tools at its disposal. After the tool calling agent, we can add these optional components to enhance the agent's performance. The first is the chat history component, which will allow the chatbot to remember conversations with the user and adjust answers if the outcome was unsatisfactory or if the input was related to a previously asked query. The next optional component is the LLM component. Keep in mind that the tool calling agent already comes built in with the GPT-4 model, but the LLM component gives you the option to change the model to fine-tune the answers. Moving on from the optional components, we should also add the PubMed tool. This enables our chatbot to read PubMed articles and abstracts, extract relevant content, and arrange it for us in the output. All that's left to do is to connect all the components together and give our agent a prompt in the system message section. This will specify and highlight the exact function and purpose we want our chatbot to serve. Feel free to give any relevant prompt to your component, but we've provided the prompt on the screen so you can copy ours for now. And that's all. We can now give our chatbot a specific query. As you can see, our chatbot can provide us with relevant information based on the latest scientific research and discussions from PubMed. This is a super simple flow using agents. Here's a screenshot of all the components in the prompt so you can copy and create your own. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or issues, make sure to contact us or comment down below so we can address them as soon as possible. And as always, have an amazing day.